First of all, long time no see. What's up, guys? Welcome to Team Sleepy here. I'm Sarina. Welcome back to a fun video. I know after a long time I am shooting. For that, I'm really sorry. After a long time, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. For that, also, I'm very sorry. But please forgive me. But this video is going to be about what I eat in a day. So, let's go. So today I'm not going to eat all of this. If you think I'm going to eat, I cannot eat because I'm eating healthy, so I won't be eating breakfast. I'm doing 16 hours intermittent fasting, so I'm going to make veggie burger for everyone at home, with cheese, mayonnaise, and there'll be some ketchup or something, and onion, tomato. So yeah, I'll show you how I make it. But this is not something that I eat. I do not eat breakfast at all, but I'm going to make breakfast for everyone. So first job is to fry this patty. So I'm going to fry it in white oil. I hope you can see me. So the first thing I do in the morning when I wake up is I drink a gallon of water. I woke up a little late today. It's the time right now where's the time? It's 9:07, which is 7 minutes past 9 o'clock. So my mom wants to eat breakfast by 10:30. So I'm going to get all her veggie burger ready. I've got the tomato here, and I've got the onion, I've got the cheese, the mayonnaise, and the ketchup. So I'm going to make her burger. And since I do intermittent fasting, I won't be eating anything for breakfast, but I will directly eat lunch. They've given an option to fry or bake, but I'm going to use the option of frying. I'll just put a little oil here. I'm going to use the option of frying because my mom loves fried patty. So I'll prepare the burger and then I'll show you. But it's what I eat in a day. I certainly do not eat anything in the morning. Only on certain days when I'm feeling really hungry, then I go ahead and eat something. But otherwise I do not eat anything in the morning if I get a chance, because at night I eat a good dinner. So for breakfast I prefer to go totally empty stomach, so that I have space for proper lunch, and then again I have space for proper dinner. But I'll show you what I keep eating. I'll keep showing you throughout the day what I eat, so you also have an account of what I'm eating. So the burger is ready. I've chucked in the veg patty, the onion, cheese, mayonnaise, tomato. Oh, the tomato fell out. Sorry. And I've chucked in some ketchup as well. So this is my mom's breakfast. Put the burger into the what is this called? OTG, so that I forgot the name. So that the burger tastes soft, and also it's warm for my mom to eat it, and she may like it. There's a lot of food. Even there is paratha, and there is aloo ki sabzi, which I'm not going to eat. There's good food, but I won't be eating, unfortunately. So the veg patty that I used for her burger, I would have rather preferred it baked because of health reasons and health conscious. I would have rather made it baked and eaten it, but then I was like, let it be. I ate a heavy dinner last night, so I just put this entire bottle of cold water into my stomach so that I can detox. But I wasn't vlogging, or I wasn't doing anything for the past few days because of a lot of confusion in life right now. Whether there'll be exams or no exams, it's a huge question. We really do not know anything. 10th exams are cancelled, 12th are postponed. So we really do not know what's going to happen. There's no clue whatsoever. So I said that if I don't know whether there'll be exam or not, I'll start shooting. So that's why I started shooting videos now, slowly. Sorry for the interruption. My mom had come to eat her breakfast, so I just put the phone down. I said rather she eats breakfast than getting interrupted by my video thing. So now I'm going to go ahead and drink some warm water and lime, and then I'll go for workout. And then if I eat anything like post-workout anything, then I'll show you, or if I eat lunch directly, then I'll show you. Until that, I'll see you at any meal time. Okay guys, I just finished working out and it's 12:30. God, I'm starving. I'm starving so badly. I'll just show you what is left for lunch. Okay, let's start. There's watermelon for lunch. Yo, there's watermelon. There's also ice cream, but sorry, let me focus. There's also ice cream, but no ice cream for me. Let's go to the kitchen and ask what's there. There's potato boiling here. I don't know what she's making. There's dal and there's mashed potato for lunch. So yeah. And then there's sambar as well. So it's pretty interesting. There's rice, stuff. Okay guys, it's evening. The time I just slept and woke up. The time is 6:11 and we are going to eat some tiffin. The tiffin is most probably going to be upma, so let's see how it goes. If you think why it's so noisy at the background, because people are working, so tiffin is down the pipe, food pipe, down the food pipe. Now I'm waiting for dinner. My mom's cooking up some good things, so let's wait for dinner. So you know you have to be hydrated, right? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm drinking a lot of water. Look at this. There's bolognese pasta for dinner. Surprise. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of what I eat in a day. I know I've been super mean about not uploading a single video. If you can't hear my voice, it's because the AC is on behind me and my hair is getting all heated up. And I've done a jugaad of the light because the ring light that I had is busted. So bad luck. But anyways, I will try and upload videos frequently for you, and I have video ideas. Why do I always keep saying this? But I always have video ideas and I can't shoot. But I don't know what's wrong. But I'll start uploading. But I have to stop saying but. Anyways, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead. And I will see you in the next video. Until we meet, doodles. Bye.